2021 collection of historically inspired daywear by Ankharet. Please join me for future videos by selecting the bell icon and the subscribe button. Hand embroidered bodice with green leaf cotton broadcloth for the base. The bodice is short sleeved, edged in cotton green sateen, and the skirt is walking skirt length with a pocket on the right side. The spring green outfit is made from Kona green 100% cotton fabric, and the front panel and the sleeves are made from green leaf fabric from the quilting store. The skirt is a little bit longer than walking length, but it is a walking skirt pattern, and it has 2 pockets. The silk taffeta petticoat is made from a black cherry taffeta silk from silkbaron.com. It's made in the same pattern I do all my petticoats in, which is a yoke around the waist, gathered section, and then ruffles around the bottom. This petticoat has some trim at the bottom as well. The 2 blue bodices in this collection are matched with a blue walking skirt. This skirt is a little longer and does not have any pockets. This dark blue bodice is made also with a cotton quilting fabric, which is lightweight. It is matched with a striped light cotton fabric for both the front and the short sleeves. This lighter bodice is made with striped white fabric and checkered blue fabric for the sleeves and the insert. It is a button front bodice as well. The next 2 bodices are matched with a wool crepe walking skirt, which does not have any pockets. This is the first of the lobster tail bodice design. This red lobster bodice is matched with an oatmeal cream side and red flowers with red braid trim accents. This second lobster tail backed bodice is matched with a lighter floral design fabric, which reminded me of medieval fabric. The underpinnings and fastenings for these outfits, this photo shoot, I wore a white petticoat with a red silk petticoat. I did wear my Burnley and Trowbridge cotton stockings and my American Duchess shoes. Also wore a corset cover, and all of the bodices are fastened at the waist with a waist tape. And I had a little bit of fun, as you can see. This entire collection was inspired by Victorian natural form era bodice patterns. I did take my original pattern from a truly Victorian pattern, and all of these bodices have been adapted with modern fabrics and with custom accents that accentuate my own design and my own aesthetic.